Gold features. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT with the bounce of the 100 moving average, this orange line, at a price of $1,846.80. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD. We did see it diverge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $170.82, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $177.35, and my stop loss is at $168.25. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $178.64, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $173.44, and my stop loss is at $181.33. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features as a 67% chance to climb between 2 to 4.5%. To the downside has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.